Hey people, so we are at the South Beach of Miami, and it is one of the most famous, beautiful, wonderful beaches in the entire world. I mean, this place is so clean, so lively. We are here on a Sunday that we are actually enjoying it here. So last night we started from Orlando. It is just a 4-hour drive from Orlando here. Then we came to Orlando and then we came to Miami, and a few hacks that I would suggest you when you come here: please carry your own towel as well as umbrella, because otherwise it is really expensive over here. And there are a lot of food joints outside, so just go buy food from there. It is going to cost you much less than buying the food over here. Unlike us, keep your luggage at your hotel before coming here, so that you are able to travel comfortably here. And work on your physique before you come here, so that you're not wearing a t-shirt. So there are a lot of food joints outside. Let's take Saurabh also in the frame. Saurabh, hi. Hey. Let me just show you the beach as well. And there are a lot of wonderful hotels nearby, so you can book the hotels nearby. Also, if you can go for the Airbnb option, it is going to be helpful, because in Airbnb, one, you pay a lesser price. Second, how it also helps us because you stay with the locals over there. So when you stay with the locals, they guide you about places where you should go and where you should not go. So all those things are told to you. So that helps you a lot. And you know what? I was also wondering that around, and I've also said it in my previous videos also, that around 2.5 years earlier, I would have never thought that we'll be traveling here. I'll just show you something else. Have a look. So it is a unique way of advertising. So if you have all the helicopters and the water planes, they fly, they have got the banners attached to them, and they're doing the branding. So at one go, they are covering so many brands, and there must be more than thousands of people here on this beach right now. So we have got people and people and people all over. It's really nice. And then yeah, what you can also do is, there's also one more place nearby. What's the name of that place?
Ocean Ride, Ocean View.
Yeah, Ocean's View or Ocean's Ride. Just check it up on Google. So just go there. It's just around 1.5 to 2 kilometers from here, and it is really advisable to go there. It really helps you. It is really nice. Then you have got Walgreens and McD nearby. So if you want to buy something, you can buy there. If you want to consume some liquor, you buy that also outside. Don't take it from the beach. Anything on the beach that you buy here is expensive. So better is you buy it from outside. But yes, do come here. Just don't leave the option of coming here, because you've seen it, right? It's amazing. And then you've got people playing music also. So it's nice. Wow, this beach just, hey, doesn't finish. It's huge. And I guess this is the right time to come here, when April is just setting in. So it's like springtime. So it's hot, and like during the evening time, 4 PM to 6 PM, it starts getting cold. So you should come at that time. I guess there would be more than 5,000 people, we believe, right now, right? The number of people, they just don't finish. There are so many people over here. And then you also have got all the water sports here. Paragliding happens over here, kayaking happens over here, surfing happens over here. I'll just show you. Whoa! So we'll also go and do some water sports for sure. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and share. Bye bye.